He said flat foot.
On green.
It's about to turn soon. Alright, today's video is gonna be a little different. We're gonna be doing a different set style of video today. So stay in tune, switch it up a little bit. Alright, yeah. So we currently in the car. I got scooped by this guy. So we're gonna be doing a different. Damn!
Alright, that power was crazy.
We're gonna be doing a little different style. We're gonna try to get some ride-alongs in. Alright, we're gonna be doing a little bit of a breakdown of a few different cars. Dang. I should like it was a wide body. It's that Camry. We'll be doing a build breakdown. First car is the current car that we in right now. Owner, Mr. Bonnet guy over here.
Bonnet at lilvlogs.com. Get your merch.
Alright, so we're currently in the WRX right now. And we're going, okay. Yeah, she way back too. I didn't think she could see us. But yeah, we're currently in the WRX. We're about to go meet up with a 535?
Yes, sir. 535.
535
Stage 2.
BMW. So right now, we're in a Stage 2 WRX, meeting up with a Stage 2 535.
Stage
so
2 plus. Stage 2 plus.
Oh yeah, this Stage 2 plus. So
forget the plus.
Hey, look at the doggies. Damn, big ass dogs. So yeah, Stage 2 plus, Stage 2. We ain't doing no. We might, but you know what I mean. It's really build breakdown season. So boost season. Nice and cold outside, 58 degrees. So should be a nice day. Cars running nice and cool. We're gonna see a little comparison. But you see, I had to go get some chapstick though. Lips busting right now. With the sun. Damn.
It's crazy.
Good job, bud. Damn. Okay. Gang just pulled up. 535. Got the typo right there. That is a long ass line everywhere.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
For just to get a car wash is crazy though.
It gotta be, bro.
And today's it's not even that nice today for real. It's gonna be the before though. It's my left hand, chill. Chill. It might scratch his paint, but fuck it. It's gonna be the before and after. These cars dirty as hell. Huh? Wash me? Huh?
Look at this shit on the back of my
Nah, I already seen it. This is dirty as fuck. But it's gonna be the before. It's a long ass line. We might be here for a little bit though. So tune back in with y'all niggas.
Tough money going at him this week.
It's a motherfucking rainbow. Shit beautiful than the motherfucker. As a guy who works in detail, these niggas do not know how to clean their cars. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is not the most efficient way to do it. I'll tell you that. Soapy bitch. You's a dirty soapy bitch. You's a soapy dirty bitch. That bitch is clean as fuck. Yeah.
I said that's a Mustang still my time.
He said Arby's. We have the meat. Civic back there. Damn.
That's a turbo, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my God, Stogie going crazy.
Real bangers only.
Hey, you fumbling. Come on, man. Can't even use that no more.
I ain't even want to give you two.
Okay. Alright, so you gotta tell us a little bit about what you got done.
Basically, I got an MSG engine.
The downside is the top mount.
Feel me? FTP charge pipe, FTP boost pipe. Feel me? Down pipe in the back, straight pipe. Yeah, that's basically it, man.
So that's a what, a stage 2?
Yeah, stage
With a stage 2 tune?
Yeah.
So he making about what?
400 horsepower.
About 400, roughly. And what engine is this?
N55.
On the N55. And then over here, come on, Bonnet man. Over here, most of y'all know what this is, and y'all can already probably tell what he got done just from left hand again.
Come on, stop trying to bump my baby.
You can't even see that one.
So don't look at this. I'll hide the brand of that one.
All right, so what we got over here, man?
Stage 2 plus 2019 Wrx. Mission Motor Cold Air Intake. Turbo XS downpipe. Running a Stage 2 plus 2. 93 octane.
And what motor is this? The infamous.
The infamous boxes, you know.
It's not an EJ.
It's a FA. 2.0 turbo. Also got the nameless muffler boost. Forgot about that.
Yeah. So.
Make around 500 to the crank.
Yeah, he making around like.
This really about a good. I want to say 283 to the wheel,
Roughly. When his dam's at 1.
which is rare.
Alright, we're gonna hear what these exhausts sounding like. Damn, that's spicy. That's spicy. Yes, sir. Ooh, little pops. Yeah, little pops. He said flat foot.
On green.
It's about to turn. Damn, he got him off the left. We had a car in front of us too. Nah, he got his ass.
Had to let go.
He got his ass. He kind of bogged second too.
Right.
It was on his ass. Gone on his ass, man. Say it. Run it.
No, they not showing it.
Yeah.
I gotta chill though. This is the road I got put over at.
On the drop. All right, I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna get closer. Fuck it. I got space. Yeah. Oh. Hey, y'all even. Y'all even. All right, look. All right, look. I'm gonna point here. I'm gonna point here. I'm gonna drop.
N55 down. N55 down. Fuck, that's a bad launch. That was a terrible launch. Oh my god. Oh, terrible launch. I'm so fucking mad. That was a terrible ass launch.
Yeah, I ran out of space, so I didn't even record.
Oh shit.
That's the worst part.
No, it's
I mean,
not.
it's a good
It's
thing
no,
you
it
got
is. No video evidence. But this phone got it though.
But God damn. Oh my God.
You want me to dig it or just
Blow that bitch.
oh just hit it?
Yeah, boost, brake boost.
Alright.
Bro, your pop sound good as fuck.
Yeah, fucking them DCT
No, I fucked up.
verbals.
Yeah, bitch,
That
I
was
was
a
boring your shit.
yeah.
That was a late shift.
I did that twice, bro.
Yeah, that was way better. That launch was way harder too.
Way fucking hard, nigga.